The documentary opens with a rapid montage of the 1930s, showcasing the global economic downturn and escalating political turmoil. German rallies fill the screen, juxtaposed with images of the Japanese army's invasion of Manchuria in 1931. This invasion is depicted with stark, grainy footage, emphasizing the brutality and territorial aggression. The scene shifts to Europe, highlighting the rise of extremist ideologies and the desperation of starving populations. Breadlines stretch for blocks, a visual testament to the widespread suffering. Powerful speeches echo through the streets, fueling the growing tension and unrest. Close-ups of faces in the crowd reveal a mix of hope, fear, and desperation. The Spanish Civil War is presented as a grim rehearsal for the impending global conflict, depicting intense urban combat and the devastating Condor Legion bombings. Black and white footage captures the chaos of street fighting, with buildings reduced to rubble. The Condor Legion's aerial assault is shown with terrifying clarity, explosions ripping through civilian areas. This segment establishes the chaotic and volatile atmosphere that sets the stage for the war. Newsreel clips show world leaders attempting to negotiate, their faces etched with worry. The failure of diplomacy becomes increasingly apparent. Maps of Europe are shown, with borders shifting and tensions rising. The Munich Agreement is depicted as a pivotal moment, with leaders arguing around maps and making fateful decisions. Chamberlain's return to Britain is shown, waving a piece of paper and proclaiming, "Peace for our time." This declaration is juxtaposed with images of German military buildup, highlighting the futility of appeasement. The invasion of Poland marks the definitive breaking point. German tanks crossing the border at dawn, a symbol of mechanized warfare. Infantry advances through fields, their silhouettes stark against the horizon. Explosions and smoke fill the screen, signaling the start of a new and terrible chapter in human history. Air raid sirens wail as civilians scramble for shelter. The invasion is swift and brutal, overwhelming Polish defenses. Close-ups of Polish soldiers show their determination and courage in the face of overwhelming odds. The documentary uses split screens to show the simultaneous advances of German forces from multiple directions. Vintage cartographic effects visualize the world map spreading into global conflict, highlighting the interconnectedness of nations and the far-reaching consequences of the war. Neutral countries are shown being drawn into the conflict, one by one. Naval battles rage on the high seas, with ships firing broadsides and submarines lurking beneath the waves. Aerial dogfights fill the skies, with fighter planes engaging in deadly combat. The documentary emphasizes the global scale of the war, showing battles fought in Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Pacific. The human cost of the war is highlighted through personal stories and testimonies. Letters from soldiers to their families are read aloud, conveying the fear, longing, and sacrifice of those on the front lines. Images of bombed-out cities and refugee camps underscore the devastating impact of the war on civilian populations. The segment concludes with an emotional closing shot, an abandoned battlefield in fog, a haunting reminder of the destruction and loss. Sunrise light filters through the mist, offering a glimmer of hope amidst the desolation. The camera pans across the desolate landscape, lingering on discarded helmets, broken weapons, and the remnants of shattered lives. A reflective mood settles over the scene, prompting viewers to contemplate the profound and lasting impact of the war. The silence is broken only by the sound of the wind, a mournful lament for the fallen. From the chaotic atmosphere of pre-war tensions, the narrative now shifts to the final attempts at diplomacy. Tense encounters unfold as world leaders gather, their faces etched with concern. The Munich Agreement becomes a focal point, a desperate attempt to avert the inevitable. Heated discussions erupt around strategic maps, each leader arguing for their nation's interests. The weight of the world rests on their shoulders, but diplomacy ultimately fails. The invasion of Poland shatters the fragile peace, marking the definitive start of World War II. German tanks rumble across the border at dawn, their presence a stark declaration of war. Explosions erupt, sending plumes of smoke billowing into the sky. The ground trembles under the force of the attack, signaling the beginning of widespread devastation. Infantry advances relentlessly, their boots pounding the earth as they push forward. The world watches in horror as the conflict escalates, engulfing nation after nation. A vintage world map appears, visualizing the escalating global conflict. Key battles are highlighted, each one a turning point in the war. Shifting alliances emerge as countries choose sides in the fight against tyranny. The map becomes a tapestry of conflict, illustrating the global scale of the war. The documentary shifts to an abandoned battlefield, a scene of desolation and loss. Fog hangs heavy in the air, shrouding the landscape in an eerie silence. The soft light of sunrise illuminates the scene, casting long shadows across the ravaged earth. The camera focuses on discarded helmets and shattered weapons, remnants of the fierce fighting. The battlefield stands as a testament to the profound human cost of the war. A sense of reflection washes over the scene, prompting viewers to contemplate the sacrifices made. The emotional weight of the conflict is palpable, leaving a lasting impression on the audience. The documentary pauses on a lone figure walking through the fog, a symbol of hope amidst despair. The sunrise hints at the possibility of a new beginning, a world rebuilt from the ashes of war. The image fades, leaving viewers to ponder the lessons learned and the path to lasting peace. The narrator's voice returns, echoing the importance of remembrance and the pursuit of understanding. The documentary concludes with a call to action, urging viewers to learn from history and prevent future conflicts. The final shot lingers on the sunrise, a reminder of the resilience of the human spirit. The credits roll, accompanied by somber music that underscores the gravity of the subject matter. The documentary leaves a lasting impact, prompting reflection on the causes and consequences of war. Viewers are left to contemplate the sacrifices made and the importance of preserving peace. The narrative emphasizes the need for vigilance and the pursuit of diplomatic solutions to global challenges. The film serves as a powerful reminder of the human cost of conflict and the enduring hope for a better future. The images of devastation are juxtaposed with scenes of resilience, highlighting the strength of the human spirit. The documentary underscores the importance of remembering the past to build a more peaceful world. The final message resonates with viewers, urging them to become active participants in the pursuit of peace. The film's impact extends beyond the screen, inspiring dialogue and reflection on the nature of war. The documentary stands as a testament to the power of storytelling in shaping our understanding of history. The narrative weaves together historical footage, expert commentary, and personal accounts to create a compelling narrative. The film's attention to detail and emotional depth make it a powerful and moving experience for viewers. The documentary's exploration of the causes and consequences of war is both informative and thought-provoking. The film's use of archival footage and first-hand accounts brings the history of World War II to life. The documentary's focus on the human cost of conflict underscores the importance of empathy and understanding. The film's message of hope and resilience inspires viewers to believe in the possibility of a more peaceful world. The documentary's exploration of the complexities of war challenges viewers to think critically about history. The film's use of powerful imagery and evocative music enhances the emotional impact of the narrative. The documentary's focus on the lessons of World War II is relevant to contemporary global challenges. The film's message of peace and understanding is a timeless reminder of the importance of human connection. The documentary's exploration of the causes of war encourages viewers to consider the roots of conflict. The film's use of personal stories adds a human dimension to the historical narrative. The documentary's focus on the consequences of war underscores the importance of preventing future conflicts. The film's message of hope inspires viewers to believe in the possibility of a better future. The documentary's exploration of the complexities of war challenges viewers to think critically. The film's use of powerful imagery enhances the emotional impact of the narrative. The documentary's focus on the lessons of World War II is relevant to today. The film's message of peace is a timeless reminder of human connection. The documentary's exploration of the causes of war encourages viewers to consider the roots. The film's use of personal stories adds a human dimension to the narrative. The documentary's focus on the consequences of war underscores prevention. The film's message of hope inspires viewers to believe in a better future.